Hi, this is Taprogge from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, and today we are here at Bharat Electricity, which is happening in Yashobhoomi from 2nd September to 4. Join us along to see what's happening.
And we have with us Ashish Mehto from Taprogge. Hello, sir.
Good afternoon.
So, sir, can you tell about your company and product?
So, basically, we are a German-based multinational company. We started in India in 2019. And it's a good coincidence that you are representing an efficient manufacturers association or magazine. We are basically a company who believe in efficiency in energy and water. We are in this business for now more than 7 decades with over 19,000 installations. What we are basically a heat exchanger specialist. We build technologies which can be integrated in heat exchanger applications, be it power station, condensers, or zero liquid discharge evaporators or chiller plants, which basically keeps the tubes clean for a longer period of time. What it does, it helps in reducing the OPEX cost of the plant, at the same time improve the environmental and gives a lot of environmental benefits to the end users and to the industry and all.
So, sir, what is your vision in future for your company?
So we all want to grow. I believe that's the common goal for everybody. The difference is the path. I think from individual to individual and company to company. Our path is to improve the efficiency of the industrial applications. That's what we really want to in terms of add that value to the customers. Many times the focus of the industry is to build new things, is to build great things, is to build bigger things. But in the process, we miss out on how we can make our existing process more robust to get maximum benefit out of it. That could be by reusing water, by creating a circular economy, or by improving the operational benefits, in terms of OPEX cost of the plant. So for us, we really want to add value to the customer, help them achieve maximum production outlet from the existing processes, and in the process we would like to build ourselves and be able to serve the Indian market here.
So, you want to tell some qualities that make different from other companies who competitors?
So our products are basically into secondary cycle. It's not in the primary cycle. So we are not selling pump, valves, pipe, fittings, all those stuff. Our system basically enhances the plant performance. Now it's up to end user where they really primarily it's up to end user where they really incline to improve the plant efficiency. Now, so we are in a service-driven economy, service-driven industry. We are not into a manufacturer or supplier-based industry. We have to study. As a company, we do a complete thorough study of the plant, understand the problem, find the root cause, and accordingly customize a solution for the end users. And that is only possible because of having experience of more than 19,000 installations in over 100 countries. So what sets us apart vis-a-vis our competition is our experience and expertise. Also, being a German company, we are very, very cautious about our brand. We don't want to commit something which we can't deliver. We are very, very methodical in terms of our execution, in terms of our reviewing the performance of the plant and how it benefits the customer in a tangible way. So we don't discuss on superficial terms, environmental benefit or it will improve something. No, we really go into the depth of understanding the cost loss for the customer and how with that technology that cost benefit is brought down to them and what will be the ROI or the payback period.
So, sir, can you give advice in future aspirant who want to become entrepreneur?
So yeah, it's I think entrepreneurship is a difficult journey, right? But it's a good journey. I believe at the end of the day, the core focus should be for any entrepreneur, even and not just for an entrepreneur, for any engineer, because we are an engineering company, is to try to understand the problem of the customer, of the industry, of the market, and accordingly figure out the right and optimal solution for that. Any business, as long as they're solving the problem, they will be successful. If they're only trying to scale up, generally they tend to struggle. So that's all. At the end of the day, we need to figure out how we can solve the customer problem.
So the last question is that how many branches do you have across
So it's SMH is Japan, the parent company is from Germany. We have our own offices and factories in America, China, Japan, Korea, France, UK, Spain, and Korea as well. And last one in India. The recent one is in India from 2019 onwards. Apart from that, we have our offices in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and Kolkata. Slowly, steady. From Taprogge, India, we are going to serve our customers in South Asia. So that's what our vision is in the short term. Globally, we are present in more than 100 countries through our agents, associates. So yeah, it's like a global company. It comes from many, as I mentioned, they're service-driven companies. So we need to be as close as possible to the customer.
So thank you so much, sir, for giving us your valuable time.
Thank you for having me.